What is going on, YouTube? How's it going? It's your boy here, and we're at the Raisin Woods mountain bike park, but it's also a trail for walkers, runners, joggers, and dirt bike trail riders. So we're gonna pick a trail and go to it, guys. So let's check out what we got over here. I just got here. I just got off work. It's like 4:20, and there's a bunch of different trails here. Okay, guys? So I'm looking. Oh, yeah. Alright. Just bear with me. I've never been here before. So I'm just checking everything out, guys. Just like you. This is at the beginning. And I got the restrooms and the little tables and everything. And it's got dogs must be leashed, no earbuds, hikers yield to bikes, use of fire pits by permit only. Okay, those are rules and regulations. You gotta follow the rules of the trail, guys. Okay, guys? Are you guys ready? Okay, guys. Say a prayer. Here we go. And we're off. And I don't know where this leads to, but we're just gonna follow the trail, guys. And this is the trail in front of me. Okay? And we just left the comfort of my Jeep, and we're in the woods again now for another hike. We're getting up there in hikes, aren't we, guys? I guess you like it. I'll let you see the canopy, how pretty it is. Pretty nice, guys. I don't know if it's supposed to rain or not. I'm not sure. But it is what it is. We'll brave it together. I know I'm not getting into it yet, but I'm trying to show you everything, because each place we hike to is different, and I want to show you the layout and everything. So we're entering this. Okay, guys? Yeah. Anyways, I hope everyone's doing good. It's a Thursday. Yeah. Friday Eve to some people. And yeah. And hopefully I know where I'm going. I don't know. I'm just following the trail. But it's a dirt bike trail, so it's pretty, if you look at the ground, it's not too bad. It's not rocky or anything. So hopefully we won't get lost or anything. I don't know, though. I got a map just in case. Even though I don't know if that's going to help us or not. We can always backtrack, right, guys? I'm not sure how it lays out, but I can't look at the map right now because I'm doing the videos. So it's a two-edged sword. And you can check out the layout. Yeah, it was a pretty good day, guys. I'm feeling fine, full of energy. How about you guys? Oh. But yeah, we're getting up there on the hikes, and I just love doing it. So, so you'll have to bear with me, because I'm kind of focused on getting as many hikes as we can. Because it's exciting to me. I love it. Love nature. Love getting out there. And I hope you liked the last hike we were on, up in the Cherokee National Forest. That was a good one. And like I said, I didn't on the Peyote Trail. We didn't finish that one because it takes 15 days to finish. Can't do that in a couple hours, So there you go. Anyways, I digress. Good little trail. But yeah, this is made for dirt bike riders and stuff. It works for us too, doesn't it? It's not a bad little trail. But yeah, it's well packed down, so there'll be no problem getting up here, Anyway, let you look around. It's quite beautiful, guys. I just can't stay away from the woods. Every chance I get, you know, every chance. Check it out. It winds around. Yeah. Like I said, you know, I'd have to look at the map to get familiar with everything, but worst comes to worst, I can just backtrack the trail I'm on. Or look at the videos. Huh, yeah. But you can tell, it's just a regular, you know, trail made for dirt bikes. But it works for us, guys. Sure does. And, you know, I looked on the maps and stuff, and it says this time of day and this day, it's not too busy. So, we should be Gucci, guys. You know? Of course, it just wraps around and around and around, you know? I'd like to take up a dirt bike on this thing, or a trail bike. It's pretty nice. But, you know, I digress. How I look? Pretty good? Hope so. We're on 14. Remember that. 14. So, whatever 14 is, I'd have to look at the map again. I should have taken a picture with my other camera. I didn't think about it. Huh. Silly me. Well, that's okay. Everything's Gucci, guys. But yeah. You like what you see, guys? Yeah. Now it goes off in two directions, you know. Let's see what that says over there. I have to look with my glasses. There's like a sign at the edge, and I can't see. It's blue. So it says bear. So we'll go to the bear, okay? Instead of him coming to us, we'll go to him. Anyways, I digress. Just remember where we're going, guys. Remember where we're going, okay? Yeah. Yeah, it's a nice day out, guys. How am I looking? Pretty good? Yeah. I don't know, it seems like we're just going around circles. Hopefully not. I don't think so, but it's quite possible. But it goes down that way. So we're just going that way. Yeah. I think we might have. I just gotta look for my footprints and stuff. Anyways. Because I know the road's right there, so if we're coming out here, I'm, you know, I don't know. Because it looks like, I don't know, guys. I'm looking for my boot prints. Yeah. And this drives around to over here, which is what I believe we walked through. You know? Yeah. Yeah, we're just walking. I think we might be walking in circles. I don't. There's a bike park, but I was thinking maybe it's bigger. But anyways, I guess we'll just go the other way instead of this way. That's the bigger way. That works, doesn't it? Unless it comes out, and that would be the short walk. But I know. Because we're getting near the entrance again, so that was a fascinating thing, huh? But I was just following the trail. So we get back, we just wrap around and go the other trail, right? That works. Anyways, you guys don't mind walking, I don't think, right? It's fun to walk around. Yeah. What do you think of that, guys? 11 minutes and 51 seconds. And we're back out to the car. That wasn't long at all. I must have picked the short one. So, if you like this video, please like, comment, subscribe. Hit the notification bell if you so choose. And as always, my friend, peace out, bro. Yeah, peace out.